Hey, I'm Lin and this is my channel, Lin the Simple Way. On my channel, I will be showing you how to do a variety of everyday tasks, including your beauty regime, cooking, exercising, and even entertaining simpler and faster way. We're all busy mothers, and so I thought this would help you a great deal when it comes to taking care of yourself and your family. Okay, so today I'll be showing you how to make the stir-fry crispy noodles, a very popular dish you can find in a Chinese restaurant, and it's quite nice for the family to enjoy.
Okay, for your ingredients, we would have some baby corns, 1 carrot, ginger, 2 tomatoes, a bunch of leaf mustard or choy sum, mushroom, onion, 1 squid, half a kilo of banana prawns, half a kilo of beef fillet, 2 chicken breasts, and a broccoli. For your seasoning, we have salt, chicken powder, sugar, some fish sauce, black pepper, and cornstarch for your thickening agent, and of course some cooking oil. I use avocado cooking oil, or you can use any other type of cooking oil. And then of course we have egg noodle to make your crispy noodles. This is how you clean the squid. You take out the bone, and then you take off all of these skin. Okay, just poke your finger in there and take it out like that, like so. And then get the a little wash. A little bit of it inside and put in the inside. Also, to prepare, you should have your beef and chicken sliced, or your vegetable chopped, broccoli, carrots, mushroom, baby corns, tomatoes, the onion and the ginger, and also your choy sum. And for the prawns, you need to peel them and cut the squid. Okay, now it's ready for you to start cooking the sauce mixture. So you can heat up your saucepan and then add some cooking oil into the saucepan and heat it up. Once the oil is ready, you can start putting some onion in there and stir it until golden. Once it's ready, put in the prawns and the squid, stir again. And then you can start adding your chicken and stir fry the mixture. Keep on stirring. Once it cooks lightly, take the mixture out. Return the saucepan to the stove again, heat it up, put some oil in there, and now it's ready for you to add all your vegetables. So we start with tomatoes, and then the ginger. Keep on stirring. Now we can add your carrot. Just remember that some different vegetables have set cooking temperature, so add the ones that take longer to cook first. So wait a little bit and then put the prawns and chicken mixture back into the saucepan. And now you can add some boiled water into that mixture, just so that it covers the level. Okay, with your cornstarch, that's your thickening agent. What you can do is pour a little bit of lukewarm water into the bowl, the cornstarch, and start mixing it until it's all dissolved. Once it's done, pour that cornstarch mixture into the saucepan. Okay, so now what you can do is give it a little bit of a stir, and then just wait until it's simmering. Then put in your beef fillets, give it a little bit of a stir again. Now you can put in your baby corns. And next is your celery. Okay, stir it again. Add a little bit of ground black pepper, the chicken powder, stir. Now add your mushroom. Stir it a little bit. Your sugar, salt, now all of this seasoning is of course to taste, so it's depend on if you like it to be a little bit salty or a little bit lighter. Okay, now give it a little while until the mixture is boiled. Now you can add the leaf mustard or the choy sum and then stir it again. Now your sauce mixture should be ready. Okay, this is how you can make your crispy noodles. So you take out the noodles from its package, heat up your oil until it's quite hot. To test, you just put a little bit of noodles in there, and if it puffed up, then it is ready. Okay, just put a little bit of noodles at a time. Once it's puffed up, check it out and just continue with your frying until you finish all the noodles in the package. Okay, and that's how you make your stir-fry crispy noodles. To serve your stir-fry crispy noodles, you just need to place the noodles onto your plate and then add the sauce mixture on top. You can serve it with some sriracha chili sauce. It is amazing with sriracha chili sauce. Okay, good luck guys. And if you like this recipe, please subscribe to my channel for more. Thank you for watching.